Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. I will start by solving exercise 9, page 75, which is related to our lesson about off-season plants. I will read the text, then we will answer the questions. In Dima's garden, there is a small greenhouse where her father has planted tomatoes. Outside the greenhouse, he planted cabbages and cauliflowers. The first question: pick out from the text the name of the cultivated plants in the greenhouse. What are the plants that are planted in the greenhouse? It is tomatoes, right? Now, what are the plants that are planted outside the greenhouse? They said that he planted cabbages and cauliflower outside the greenhouse. So they are cauliflower and cabbages. Now exercise 2. Indicate the type to which this garden belongs. What is the type of this garden? It is kitchen garden, right? Because in the kitchen garden we planted what? Vegetables. Now 3. Why is the plastic of the greenhouse transparent? Why? The plastic is transparent to permit the light to pass through. 4. During which season did Dima's father plant tomatoes in the greenhouse? In which season we plant the vegetables or the fruits in the greenhouse? In winter. 5. Why are the cabbages and cauliflowers outside the greenhouse? Why they are planted outside the greenhouse? Why? Because they can grow in winter, right? And they do not need heat to ripen. So they are planted outside the greenhouse. These are the answers. Write them, please. Now we will start with a new unit, Unit 2, which is about animals and the environment. In this unit, you will study the different kinds of animals, their living habitats, the foods they eat, and the way they breathe. You will discover that animals are similar in some characteristics and different in others. The first activity in this unit is about the similarities and the differences between animals. Do animals have the same shape and the same aspect? No, but almost all animals have eyes, mouth, and tail. But they have different shapes, colors, and sizes, right? Some animals do not have the same food diet, and sometimes they live in different habitats. Let's see today how are animals similar and how they are different. In this document we have different animals: bird, cat, lion, fish, snake. A. Pick out from the document the animals that have eyes, mouth, and tail. From this document, what are the animals that they have eyes, mouth, and tail? The bird, bear, and the cat, the fish, the lion, and the snake. So almost all animals have eyes, mouth, and tail, right? Okay, now an animal that does not have legs, fin, or feathers. What is the animal that does not have legs, fins, or feather? The snake, right? The animals that have legs: bear, bird, cat, the lion. Indicate what covers the body of these animals. Look, Some animals have bodies covered with hair, like the bear, the cat, and the lion. And other animals have bodies covered with feathers, like the bird. And the fish and the snake, the body of the fish and the snake is covered with scales. So some animals have bodies covered with hair, others with scales, like the fish and the snake, and some animals have bodies covered with feathers, like the bird. And see, compare the size of the bear with that of the cat. Look at the size. The size of the bear is bigger than the size of the cat, right? D. Conclude. Animals have similarities and differences. These are the answers. Write them.